hopefully you're enjoying some of the content that we've been doing. Nicole and I have been working pretty hard on getting some of the things that we needed to get done as far as projects this summer. Now we're turning our attention to the main focus, which is going to be building our home. We had a brand new construction that collapsed the day after Christmas. We had some freak storms up here. The building wasn't sheathed on top, not metal, so a lot of snow and everything that froze, snowing, raining, melting, just stacked up, and unfortunately it collapsed. But we're making a good thing out of it. By now we're going to be building ourselves, just because of problems we had with contractors prior, time frame wise. A lot of them are not available, and now we're getting to the point where we have to move in. So we've been in an RV now for about 3 years. Not the best situation when you have little ones, and the winter time out here is pretty rough on them. The contractor I had unfortunately cannot make it up here to fill in the backfill of the foundation. I can't wait for him, and this has to get done. I can't sit there idly by and wait on contractors left and right. Some guys are so damn busy that they can't make the obligations and the commitments they have already with us. So we are putting in septic lines. We're doing all that at the same time, and there's gonna be a lot of things that we're gonna be learning as we go, and we want you guys to join with us. If you have any comments on certain ways that we're doing something and improving us or telling us, critiquing us, please put comments in there. It helps our channel grow, helps get you guys more content. So with that being said, enjoy.